Okay, I will admit I was completely disenchanted with this product. It was like a wash, rinse, and repeat of WWE, and I was tired of it. And the characters were stale. They had valets. They tried to copy the Raw, and it just got really old. But now, after they took everything to New York, they have completely changed, and I literally feel really good about it. I feel more than good.
Get up early when the sleeping pill wakes me. I take a wake up pill to fill with energy. I power on hard and I check my messages.
I literally didn't know what to think about TNA for a while since it was pretty much a rehash of watching Raw or SmackDown. But honestly, they literally separated themselves from the pack when they actually decided to bring back the six-sided ring, which makes me so happy. Not only that, Kurt Angle is now the executive GM, or he's pretty much the executive guy. I can't remember the full name, but either or, he's kind of sort of like the GM of TNA now, and he literally brought back wrestling as well as bringing back some really classic characters. It's nice to see Team 3D back again, as well as now we just got the renewal of the Hardy Boys, and they're going for the tag team championships against the Wolves of Destination X. Not only that, Bobby Lashley is literally the beast that he was supposed to be when he was in the WWE. But he really didn't get that far being there. He's a lot more further now than he is back then. Well, than he was back then. If you can honestly think about it, he's the black version of Brock Lesnar. Seriously, those two go toe to toe. They're pretty much even. But honestly, he's represented really well in TNA right now, especially with MVP. Instead of being a wrestler that he always was in WWE that didn't really go far, he's going further now as being a manager, in my humble opinion. And I really do like the direction that they're going. And I like the fact that he plays a really great heel. He's a great heel manager. And Bobby Lashley, he's okay on the mic. He ain't that bad. But it's nice for him, somebody that size, to have a mouthpiece that represents him. Not only that, the dynamo, the triple threat is what I call him. Austin Aries is going to be going against Bobby Lashley in kind of like a David versus Goliath style match at Destination X. Something I'm really looking forward to. And then they're going to actually have a tournament for the Destination X title. Low Key is now becoming one of my favorite characters. Seriously, he's becoming one of my favorite characters in the X division. I still love Zema Ion, but Zema Ion is, or Club Z, wherever he is now, Low Key is pretty much top notch. The guy is like a friggin' spider monkey, and nobody can catch him because he's really, really fast. I love that guy. I really, really do. But but honestly, I really do believe that Dixie Carter is gonna be the type of character that needs to back down. Yes, she's the president of TNA, but let's be real here. It's not about her anymore. It's all about TNA, which is what makes me really happy. You don't see a lot of Kurt Angle anymore. Kurt Angle comes out eventually, but he doesn't really play a really strong. Well, I mean, he doesn't play like a really big in your face type of role like Hogan did, as well as Jeff Jarrett did, and Dixie Carter and MVP. He's kind of like he comes out when he needs to, in my opinion. He has backstage segments as well as having some promos in the ring, but it's not about him. It's about TNA, which is what's making me happy. He's starting to tone down and let TNA shine and sit back in the scenes. Dixie Carter needs to do the same thing. Her heel character is becoming stale, and I really feel that she needs to start backing down soon. But honestly, even if she didn't back down, it's not about her. It's about TNA. TNA is kind of eclipsing her, which really makes me happy because that's really what I want. I don't want it to be all about the heel factions or all about the corporate heel factions. That's a better way of saying it that way. But honestly, guys, I'm really feeling great about this product. I really believe that Destination X is going to be promising. And y'all, just looking at this product,
I
I
feel
feel
fantastic,
fantastic.
and I never